How can I request, get, and read an XML file using Python? I tried requesting an RSS feed on Treasury Direct using Python. In the past I've used urllib, or request libraries to serve this purpose, and it's worked fine. This time, however, I continue to get the 406 status error, which I understand is the page's way of telling me it doesn't accept my header details from the request. I've tried altering it, however, to no avail. This is how I've tried. Environments, Python 2.7 and 3.4. I also tried accessing via curl with the same exact error. I believe this to be page specific, but can't figure out how to appropriately frame a request to read this page. I found an API on the page which I can read the same data in JSON, so this issue is now more of a curiosity to me than a true problem. Any answers would be greatly appreciated. Header details.
You need to add accept to headers request.